Welcome to 41144 Greenspire, located in Clinton Township, Michigan. Asking price of $210,000. Now let's check out this wonderful property. This is a true detached 3-bedroom ranch condo for sale. And wait till you see this kitchen. You're going to absolutely love it. Updated granite countertops, subway backsplash, new flooring, stainless steel appliances, and that is one of the prettiest granites I've ever seen. Wouldn't you agree? The monthly association fee on this property is $233. The HOA covers snow, lawn, water, sub pump, mailboxes, this is the secondary bedroom on the main floor. So you have the master bedroom on the main, the secondary bedroom, and also another bedroom upstairs featuring two new carpeting. They've really taken great care to make this place look fantastic. The great room is oversized, and the cathedral ceiling really adds a lot of volume to the room. Walk out onto the custom patio for those summer barbecues. This truly is a convenient home. Master bedroom, ensuite, first floor laundry. A nice, quiet subdivision. A true detached condo. You don't have to waste your summertime cutting grass. Lots of schools located in the area and highly ranked. Now the owner is including the dryer, range oven, refrigerator, washer, a nice sized bedroom up here. Plenty of things to do. Location is great. Lots of restaurants, activities. Here's that first floor laundry. Now let's go downstairs and check out the basement. This finished basement is going to give you so much more living space. Overall square footage is 1,600 square feet. And if you like outdoor living, you're going to love the location. Don't miss out on this spectacular home. Schedule your showing today.